How to fix no audio output device installed error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is right click on a start button, choose device manager and update audio inputs and outputs. Expand it and right click on your device and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers and window will install latest audio device for your system. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search, type services, open services windows and here choose Windows audio. Restart your window audio service in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Right click on Windows audio and choose the option restart. Do you want to restart this device? Windows audio restart, then other devices will also choose the option yes. And Windows audio will restart your system. And also go to a startup type and choose automatic. Press apply and then OK. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search, type CP to open control panel. Open control panel. View by, go to category and choose large icons. And here look for sound option. Click on it. A new sound windows will appear here. Right click on blank space and show disabled devices. Click on it and all your disabled devices will appear here. Right click on it and choose the option enable. Enable your sound device and press OK. Also check other devices is in enable mode or not. Press OK. That's all.